Welcome back to the InglishOn practice session. Today, we're not looking at boring rules.
That's right. We're diving into the English you actually use every day. If you've ever frozen up when trying to make a plan or invite someone out, this one is for you.
We're going to cover 4 big areas: inviting people, accepting, gracefully declining, and handling last-minute changes.
Get comfortable, grab your notebook, and let's focus on sounding natural when talking about the future.
First, the invitation. Lots of learners only use "do you want to," and it can sound too direct.
Softer English sounds friendlier. The magic phrase is, would you like to?
Listen to this.
Go ahead.
Hey, Beth, I'm free this Saturday. Would you like to check out that new sci-fi movie?
That sounds awesome, Alex. I've been meaning to see it.
Great. Is Saturday evening good for you?
Let me check my calendar. Yeah, Saturday evening is perfect.
Notice the rhythm. Friendly, clear, not pushy.
Now the informal version with a close friend.
Hey, want to grab lunch later?
Totally. What time are you thinking?
2 sound good?
Works for me.
Accepting is only the first step. Defining the plan is where many people get stuck.
For fixed plans, use the present continuous.
We're meeting at the theater at 7.
Not, we're going to go to the theater at 7. Keep it short. We're meeting at 7.
When do we use going to?
Intentions and predictions. I'm going to start running next month. I'm going to buy a new car next year.
Ask me about my vacation.
What are you doing for your vacation this year?
I'm flying to Portugal next week.
And what are you going to do there?
I'm going to try surfing. Also going to eat too many pastries.
That's the difference. Flying is booked. Trying surfing is an intention.
Let's practice inviting with different levels of formality. I'll give 3 versions. You react naturally.
Do it.
Formal. Would you like to join us for dinner on Friday?
I'd love to. What time are you thinking?
Neutral. Do you want to grab coffee tomorrow morning?
Sounds good. I'm free around 10.
Casual. Pizza tonight?
Yes, I'll bring the drinks.
Now invitations with details already inside.
I like those.
I'm meeting some friends at the park at 5. Want to come?
Sure. Should I bring anything?
Maybe a blanket. I'll bring snacks.
That's a complete plan. Time, place, small task.
Many times people accept but forget to lock the details.
Let's lock them with when, where, who, how.
When? Saturday at 6.
Where? Main Street Theater.
Who? You, me, Carla.
How? I'll drive, you bring the tickets.
Put it together.
We're meeting at Main Street Theater on Saturday at 6. I'm driving, you're bringing the tickets, Carla is bringing popcorn money, haha.
That's a plan that actually happens.
Declining now, saying no without sounding rude.
The soft opener is, I wish I could, but...
Or I'd love to, but I have other plans.
Try it.
Hey, are you free for dinner on Thursday?
I wish I could, but I'm working late that day.
No problem. Maybe the weekend?
The weekend works better. Let's try Sunday afternoon.
Nice pivot from no to alternative.
Another pattern. I can't make it because I'm, plus reason.
I can't make it because I'm meeting my cousin that night.
Or I'm already booked.
Or I've got an early flight the next morning.
Keep it short, kind, and real.
Last-minute changes need fast language. That's where will shines.
I'm running 10 minutes late. I'll text you when I'm outside.
Something came up at work. I'll call you in 5.
I can't find the place. I'll share my location.
I forgot the tickets at home. I'll grab the digital ones now.
Short promises, quick solutions.
Let's do a mini scene. You're lost, and I'm already at the restaurant.
Hey, I can't find the restaurant. What should I do?
No stress. I'll send you the pin. Walk past the bookstore and turn right.
Got it. I'll be there in 5.
I'll wait by the door.
Different channels change the tone. Let's compare phone, text, and voice note.
Phone. Hi, just checking. Are we still on for 7?
Text. Still on for 7?
Voice note. Hey, quick check. Still good for 7? If not, we can push to 7:30.
Same message, different flavor.
Invitations with reasons help people say yes.
Would you like to try that new taco place? It has great reviews and outdoor seating.
That sounds great. Outdoor seating is a win.
Want to join a quick run tomorrow morning? It's only 20 minutes, easy pace.
I'm in. Easy pace convinced me.
Now, polite pressure without being pushy.
Totally okay if not, but we're grabbing coffee at 11 if you'd like to join.
That's perfect. You give an out and still keep the door open.
Rescheduling gracefully.
I'm so sorry. Something came up. Could we move our lunch to 2?
No worries. 2 works for me.
Thanks for being flexible. I'll text you the new time. Another one. I won't make it by 6. Can we push 30 minutes?
Sure, I'll hold the table.
Group plans need clarity.
We're meeting at the museum entrance at 10. If you're late, join us inside at the main hall.
I'll bring the tickets.
I'll bring water.
Carla will bring snacks.
Done.
Let's integrate present continuous, going to, and will in one flow.
I'm meeting my cousin at the market at noon. After that, I'm going to check out the new record store. If you're free, I'll text you when I'm done.
That sequence is beautiful. Booked plan, intention, spontaneous promise.
Practice time. I invite, you accept, and lock details.
Go.
Would you like to grab brunch on Sunday?
I'd love to. What time are you thinking?
11?
Works for me. I'm meeting you at Sunny Cafe at 11. I'll get a table. Perfect. I'll bring the donuts. Now, I invite, you decline politely and suggest another day.
Okay.
Do you want to see a movie tonight?
I'd love to, but I'm finishing a project. Could we do tomorrow instead?
Tomorrow works. 7?
7 is perfect.
Mini scene. Last minute change with a promise.
I'm stuck in traffic. I'll be 10 minutes late.
No problem. I'll order drinks.
Thanks. I'll grab dessert to make up for it. Haha.
Deal. Micro phrases that make everything smoother. Are you still up for it?
I'm in.
I'm out this time. Sorry.
Rain check.
Let's lock it in.
Pencil me in.
I'm flexible.
I'm tied up until 6.
Let's touch base tomorrow.
I'll circle back later.
Formal invitation for work context.
Would you be available to join a quick call on Wednesday afternoon?
I can do 3:30.
Great. I'll send a calendar invite.
Sounds good. Talk then.
Semi-formal for friends of friends.
We're having a small get-together on Saturday. You're welcome to join if you're free.
Thanks. That sounds nice. What time are you starting?
Around 6.
I'll swing by after 7.
Handling double booking without drama.
I just realized I accepted 2 things for Friday. I'm really sorry. Could we move our dinner to Sunday?
All good. Sunday works.
Thanks. I'll pick the place and text you.
Saying no to something you don't enjoy while staying friendly.
Do you want to go clubbing tonight?
Thanks for thinking of me, but clubbing isn't really my thing. How about brunch tomorrow instead?
Brunch sounds perfect.
Turning a vague plan into a real plan.
We should hang out sometime.
Totally. Are you free Saturday morning? Coffee at 10?
Yes, let's do Green Bean Cafe at 10.
Locked.
Short promises to sound reliable.
I'll text you the address.
I'll book the tickets.
I'll grab a table.
I'll drive.
I'll cover the first round.
I'll send the calendar invite.
Invitations with seasons and vibes.
Would you like to do a picnic this weekend? The weather looks great.
I'm in. I'll bring fruit and water.
I'll bring sandwiches.
Done. Handling money topics lightly.
Do you want to split the tickets?
Sure. I'll send you my part on the app. Thanks. I'll forward the receipt. Gently checking availability without pressure.
Are you around next week for a quick coffee? No worries if not.
I can do Thursday morning.
Great. I'll book it in.
Invitations by theme.
Food. Want to try the new ramen place?
Culture. Would you like to see the photography exhibit?
Outdoors. Want to do a short hike on Sunday?
Home vibe. Movie night at my place. I'll make popcorn.
Accepting with tiny personalization.
I'd love to. Could we make it 7:30?
Works for me.
Perfect. I'll bring dessert.
Sweet, literally.
Declining with appreciation and alternate door. Thanks so much for inviting me. I can't make it tonight, but I'm free next week.
Cool. Wednesday?
Wednesday is great. Recovery after a late reply.
Sorry for the slow reply. I'm in for Saturday if you still have space.
We do. See you at 6.
Thanks. I'll be on time.
Fixing a misunderstanding.
I thought we said 7:30.
My bad. You're right. I'll be there at 7:30.
Thanks for confirming.
Quick check-ins the day of the plan.
Still good for tonight?
Yes. See you at the entrance at 7.
Perfect.
Upgrading a plan.
After the movie, want to grab dessert?
Yes, I know a place nearby.
Lead the way.
Downgrading a plan when you're tired but still want to connect.
I'm a bit wiped. Mind if we switch dinner to a quick coffee?
No problem. Coffee works.
You're the best.
Gentle boundary setting.
I'm keeping tonight low-key. Can we do something short, like a walk?
Absolutely. 20 minutes by the river.
Done.
Weather plan B language.
If it rains, we'll move to the cafe across the street.
Good call. I'll text you if it changes. Mini role play marathon. 3 quick invitations, 3 styles.
Sports style. Pickup game at 5. You in?
I'm in. I'll bring water.
Artsy style. Would you like to check out the gallery opening tonight?
I'd love to. What time are you going?
Chill style. Coffee later?
Can't today. Rain check. Family-friendly language.
I'm taking my nephew to the zoo on Saturday. Want to join?
Sounds fun. I'll bring snacks.
Nice.
Date-style invitation without pressure.
I really enjoy talking with you. Would you like to grab coffee this weekend?
That's kind. Saturday afternoon works.
Great. Looking forward to it.
Work-friend balance.
A few of us are getting lunch after the meeting. Want to come?
Thanks for the invite. I can do a quick bite.
Perfect.
Text templates you can copy.
Want to try ramen at 7?
Free for brunch Sunday.
Movie night at mine, Fry?
Still on for 6.
Running 10 late. All text went outside.
Can we move to 7:30? Phone call confidence.
Hey, just checking we're still meeting at the library at 3?
Yes, see you there. I'll grab a study room.
Thanks. I'll bring the notes.
The power of a warm close.
See you then.
Can't wait.
Looking forward to it.
Sounds like a plan.
Perfect.
Let's do a final long role play that mixes everything. You invite, I accept, we plan, then we handle a change.
Here we go. Would you like to try the new Ethiopian place on Thursday?
I'd love to, but Thursday's tight for me. Could we do Friday instead?
Friday works. 7?
7 is perfect. Are we meeting there, or should we meet earlier somewhere else?
Let's meet there. I'm booking a table under my name.
Awesome. I'll be there at 7. I'll bring cash just in case.
Great. Day of the plan. I'm running 10 minutes late. I'll be there at 7:10.
No worries. I'll grab a table and some water.
Thanks. After dinner, want to get ice cream?
Yes, I know a place 2 blocks away.
Perfect. See you soon.
On my way.
One more with a polite decline and a strong alternative.
Do you want to join a long hike on Sunday?
I wish I could, but I've got family plans. How about a short walk on Tuesday evening?
Works for me. 7:30 by the river?
7:30 is perfect. I'll bring tea.
I'll bring music.
Quick correction clinic.
I will go to cinema Saturday sounds stiff. Better, I'm going to the cinema on Saturday.
We are going to eat now is okay. We're eating now is more natural if it's happening.
I'm going to be late by 5 minutes works. I'll be 5 minutes late is faster.
Do you want to go to dinner tomorrow is fine. Would you like to have dinner tomorrow is softer.
Confidence builders you can keep in your pocket.
I'm in.
Count me in.
I'm out this time.
Maybe next time.
Let's play it by ear.
I'm easy either way.
I'm flexible.
Works for me.
Sounds good.
Let's wrap with a clean recap.
Invitations. Would you like to for polite? Do you wanna for casual?
Fixed plans. Present continuous. I'm meeting at 7.
Intentions and predictions. Going to. I'm going to try surfing.
Spontaneous decisions and promises. Will. I'll text you. I'll call you. I'll send the pin.
Declining politely. I wish I could, but, or I'd love to, but I'm already booked.
Rescheduling kindly. Something came up. Could we move it to?
Lock details with when, where, who, how.
Keep it short, kind, and clear.
Practice these lines out loud until they feel automatic.
Thanks for spending time with us.
If this helped, share it with a friend who always says we should hang out sometime and never locks the plan. Haha.
See you in the next session.
Keep your English on.